What it is: clad in negligible camo, the following Ram 1500 has been spotted with its new grille to a great extent in plain view for all to see. The amended unit is hexagonal and maybe a parasite Audi-esque, not exactly as overwhelming a piece as the huge apparatus throats that Fiat Chrysler Automobiles trucks have been wearing since before Daimler's merger of equivalents with the Pentastar, back when they were badged Dodge. A couple of subtler, rectangular additions replaces the excessively styled nostrils on late trams, while the headlights, with their light bar DRLs, appear to lodging motivation from the Dodge Durango and the Chrysler 300. Out back, the taillights include unpredictability in surfacing while likewise indicating the 1970s through 90s derangement pickups backlighting modules. Why it matters: the Light Obligation 1500 is the stay of the Ram line and the reason for everything from workaday finishing vehicles to full custom way of life proclamations. It fills in as the reason for the energetic, rough-terrain arranged Rebel and could support a future Ford Raptor battling adaptation of said machine, a potential move that has the mixturating Calvine decal post-retail wetting its jeans with expectation. Stage: it's an American pickup. There's a stepping stool outline underneath. Since it's a Ram 1500, expect curl springs all around, with accessible air springs. Smash isn't following Ford, or even its kin at Jeep, the distance into the future, however, as the 1500 will hold a steel body. We do anticipate that the taxi will develop, and we've just observed disguised megacab modules circling. Another component reputed for the new Ram is a part-opening rear end, which could drop down as a solitary piece unit or open in two segments, animal dwelling place entryways style. That outline isn't seen on the truck in these photographs yet is probably going to be a choice. Powertrain: the motor room additionally could see some new decisions. There's discussion of a turbocharged inline-4, perhaps as a major aspect of a mixture powertrain, as has been declared for the new Jeep Wrangler. FCA being FCA, I anticipate that the Ram 1500 will hold the Hemi V8, maybe in some extraordinary limits. The Pentastar V6 again will be in the blend too. Normally, both 4x2 and 4x4 variations will be accessible. Assessed arrival and price: we'll know increasingly when the truck is revealed right on time 1 year from now, in all probability at the Detroit Automobile Expo. Concerning evaluating? The new trucks should begin appropriate around $29,000 and go up from that point, contingent upon powertrain, taxi size, and level of extravagance.